Barium is described by the Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry as a silvery white metal which exists in nature only in ores containing mixtures of elements. It combines with other chemicals, such as sulfur or carbon and oxygen, to form barium compounds. The agency goes on to state that barium compounds are used by the oil and gas industries to make drilling muds. Drilling muds make it easier to drill through rock by keeping the drill bit lubricated. Barium compounds are also used to make paint, bricks, ceramics, glass, and rubber. Potential routes of exposure include inhalation, which is generally limited to occupational exposure, oral, a primary route of exposure for the general population, and dermal, which is considered a minor route of exposure. Ways people could be exposed to barium, listed by the Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry, include ingesting small amounts present in food and water, or breathing air containing very low levels of barium, living in areas with unusually high natural levels of barium in the drinking water, working in a job that involves barium production or use, and living or working near waste sites where barium has been disposed of. There are a number of potential health effects due to exposure which are shown on the screen. For example, inhaling barium can irritate the nose, throat, and lungs, and direct contact can irritate and burn the skin or eyes. Barium may damage the kidneys, and exposure to high levels may result in barium poisoning, which can have serious consequences. To protect workers and the public, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has set a limit for barium in drinking water. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration has set permissible exposure limits for barium compounds, and the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health has set recommended exposure limits. These are just a few things to know about barium, barium compounds, and potential exposure risks. To learn more about this or other industrial hygiene, environmental, health, or safety issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.